Okay, thank you. Now we are showing here engineering of the black sand, which means we want to separate black sand magnetite particle sizes in such a way that we get a group of particle sizes which are between 50 and 100 mesh. For that, we are using these two sieves, and this one is 50 mesh, yeah, and the other one is 100 mesh. Yes, yes. So, okay, you stop. This is a sieve. It is for filtering, basically screening, and this is of 50 mesh, and this one here is 100 mesh. We use it for screening. We use it for classification of these particles on different sizes. So the first thing what we do here, we take some magnetite or black sand, we put it here on top of this one. Okay, and now we start this classification process. You can observe on the surface that it becomes like a kind of, you can come closer and see here, the surface of these particles, it becomes kind of, you know, you can see that it is just one size. When you see that this is one size, if I don't need these particle sizes smaller than 50 mesh, I discard it. Now what we get here are particles between 50 and 100 mesh. And here we get the fine powder smaller than 100 mesh, which we also use in gold recovery. Now this part here, we want to make sure that it's only that group of particles which remains. Now, not everything here is a black sand, so we are now going to collect exactly black sand. We can see here that black sand is kind of different than the soil which remains. Still some particle gets trapped. I'm trying to isolate black sand as much as possible as just black sand. So now this is black sand, also called magnetite. And if we don't find it in the nature, then we get those particles from welding, and we call it slagnatite. Slagnatite is an artificial mineral which doesn't exist. We are making a joke. Slag, from the word slag. pretty much everything is cleaned. There is some black sand still remaining. See, not much.